Crafter, hello everyone. Hope you are fine. Welcome to the world of natural beauty and burlap creativity, where simple jute and burlap turn into something extraordinary. In today's video, I will explore the amazing benefits of crafting with jute and burlap and a few beautiful eco-friendly decor ideas you can make at home. Whether you are decorating for Xmas, adding rustic charm to your room, or starting your own handmade business, these crafts will inspire you. So, burlap crafting eco-friendly choice. Jute and burlap are 100% natural fiber. Using them helps reduce plastic waste and promote sustainability. Budget friendly, they are affordable materials, perfect for beginners and small creators who want to make beautiful crafts without spending much. Strong and durable. Jute fabric is sturdy, long lasting, and ideal for wall hanging ornaments and storage baskets. Rustic and aesthetic look. The natural brown tones of burlap give a warm, earthy, and cozy feel to your space. Perfect for boho or farmhouse decor. Therapeutic value. Crafting with your hands relaxes the mind, relieves stress, and brings beautiful satisfaction. Creative jute and burlap craft ideas. Wall hanging decor. Use burlap, lace, and wooden beads to create an elegant wall hanging. Add small flowers or tassels for a soft look. Bottle wrapping decor. Wrap old glass bottles with jute twine, add ribbons, pearls, or small fabric flowers. Perfect as centerpieces or gift. Make a Xmas or seasonal wreath using burlap, ribbons, and small ornaments. Hang it on your door for a natural festive charm. Use old tins or jars, cover them with jute, rope, and decorate with bows. An eco-friendly touch for indoor plants. Idea number 5. Table decor and candle holders. Wrap jars with burlap, tie with twine, and place candle inside for cozy evening lighting. Business and mindfulness benefits. Start selling handmade jute crafts on Etsy, Instagram, or local markets. People love eco-friendly products. These crafts are easy to ship, lightweight, and always trending during festive season. Plus, crafting helps you stay calm, creative, and connected to nature, a perfect therapy for the soul. So whether you are crafting for passion, home decor, or business, jute and burlap, then your best friend in creativity. Like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly crafts and ideas and mindful handmade inspiration. So in this video I have shown you the pictures of jute and burlap making crafting. Very beautiful and amazing crafting ideas, very amazing and interesting collection of jute and burlap. So we are gonna show you this amazing crafting ideas. We are exploring the warm, earthy world of jute and burlap crafts. Handmade, natural, and full of charm, jute and burlap brings a touch of nature into your home. They remind us that beauty can come from the simplest materials, soft, rough, and real. These natural fiber are affordable, sustainable, and beautiful too. The farmhouse look and full of creative possibilities. From wall art to bottle decor, from rustic wreath to table ornaments, you can make your space glow with eco-friendly. You can make it with the candle holder for trees, for farmhouse rustic look, and it looks fabulous. Thank you for being a part of this video. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We are trying to give you that amazing and beautiful collection. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey, and we will really want to share with you that amazing crafty ideas. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Stay tuned with us. We are trying to bring that amazing collection and creation and benefits, craft benefits, beneficial things for you. You can make very amazing things by watching our video. You can get ideas from this video. You can get idea from this video, and we are trying to best for our viewers. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful day. We will try to upload that amazing creation, and write on comment section what do you want to watch. We will definitely try to upload. As well, you can watch tutorials of my channels. We have given you the illustration videos, beautiful illustration, bridal and beautiful gowns illustration. You can learn from them. So hope you enjoying these designs and ideas. Thank you for watching.